Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today, can snow suppress 6.5? I'm going to jam the muzzle end of this into a snowdrift.
Just that tip.
Probably up to here, take a shot, see how loud it is. I'm not too sure if it's going to work or not, but safety comes first, so we're just going to put a rubber glove over the muzzle. Make sure we don't get snow and stuff in there. So there we go. Muzzle end is all blocked off, so we shouldn't get anything in the muzzle. I'll load her up with a 147 grain 6.5. 223. Okay, so we'll take one shot here with the front end of the rifle right in the snowbank. Comment down below if you think it'll make a crazy amount of noise, and let's also see if the bullet comes out. I'm going to shoot it down, and there's about 6 feet or more of snow, so let's see if it'll stop. Okay, it's on fire. Jam this thing right in there. We'll go right up to the scope. All right, here we go. I didn't hear a thing, and the bullet didn't come out, so that is crazy. Maybe we should try it one more time, just to make sure. Got the gloves still, no round in the barrel. There we go. So we have it back on again. Let's see what it does. No noise at all. That is crazy. And the bullet never came out. I would have never thought it would be that quiet. I have ear pro in, but that's insane how quiet that is. Well, hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.